Good morning to student. Today discussed for the classes fluid mechanism machinery subject impulse turbine and Francis turbine. Turbine discussed today. Myself, Dr. M. Ramar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering Technology, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Hydraulic machinery. Turbine is a device that extracts energy from fluid, convert to the energy held by the fluid to mechanical energy. Pumps are devices that add energy to the fluid. Example, pumps, fan, blowers, and compressor. Hydroelectric power is the most remarkable development in the exploration of water resources throughout the world. Hydraulic power is developed by hydraulic turbines, which are the hydraulic machines. Turbines convert hydraulic energy or hydropotential into a mechanical energy. Mechanical energy developed by turbine is used to run electric generator coupled to the shift of turbines. Hydroelectric power is the most cheapest source power generation. JV Ponsel first introduced the idea development of mechanical of energy through hydraulic energy. Modern electric turbines are developed by Elia Belton Impulse, the Coriolis and JB Francis reaction and the Kaplan turbine, the propeller. Belton wheel or impulse turbines, Francis reaction, Kaplan propel, different name. This is show the diagrams, is the layout of the diagrams of turbines. Screen power inlet, water bore power inverse electricals turbines. Power plant is a power plant, water plant, that is industrial, etc. That is used for the turbines. Impulse turbines, another one name is a Belton wheel. Explain the impulse turbine. Same question, say needs sketch the Belton turbine. Belton wheel, the only type impulse turbine that use these types of reaction turbines, also called free jet. The turbine use free of jet water under atmosphere pressure. It works under high had the quantity of water from the reservoir brought to the turbine through penstock, at the end of which a nozzle is fitted. The nozzle converted whole of the available head into the kinetic head from the high velocity jet. High velocity jet. Show the Belton wheel the diagram. Belton wheel the diagram. This is a Belton is a main parts of castings, runners, nozzle, bucket, penstock. The main components are the Belton wheel, the jet of stroke, bucket mounted, the rim will called a runner, the shaft to pass through runner, the force of jet gas runner to rotate mechanical power, introduce the end of water goes into a tail race. Number of nozzle depends specific speed, however, a maximum number of nozzle can be 6. Number of 6. First one. Pins, the jet sticks, the packet mounted, the rim wheel called runner, the shaft to pass through the runner, the force jet gases the runner to rotate the mechanical power produced. Mechanical power produced. Number of nozzle depends upon specific speed. Have maximum number of nozzle 6. Common ensemble runner, the bucket. They show the diagram nozzle, sphere, bucket, the Belton turbines. Next, nozzle with the guide mechanism. Guide mechanism. First one of the runner with the bucket and the time is 7 o'clock. Runner the show the diagram runner the bucket. The runner is a circular disc which considers of the number of semi-elliptical bucket evenly spaced around it. Is a prefer the bucket divided into the two semi-spiral comes by sharp edge right, sharp or right, known as splitter, as shown as this arrangement. The axial thrust, the end thrust, the bearings, thrust the bearings, axial thrust bearing equal to the opposite, generally bucket or bullet, the previously runner. In some case, the bucket and wheel or casting integral the one piece. In case of a bullet type broken damaged bucket can be replaced economically. Second one common, very common importance, nozzle and guide mechanism. nozzle and guide mechanism. A nozzle fitted to the end of penstock. Nozzle mechanism. Show the diagram. Show the diagram. Nozzle and guide mechanism. Show the nozzle. Spray. Nozzle. Example. A nozzle is fitted at the end of the penstock near the turbine. The nozzle is provided with a conical needle or spire to regulate to quantity of water coming out of nozzle, thereby control the speed of the runner. The spear may be operated manually by the hand wheel for small unit, automatically by governing mechanism for large unit. Second, hydraulic brake main component. Nozzle control the brake. When the turbine has yet to be brought to rest in by closing the inlet valve of the turbine, the runner generally takes it very long to come to rest due to its inertia. To bring it to rest equally, a small brake nozzle is provided. The nozzle is opened and it is direct jet of water at the back of the bucket. This act of the brake bring the revealing runner quickly of the rest. Second one, main casting. This is casting cover. This is inner cover, outer cover. Castings. The casting, mat cast and fabricated steel plate provide the following purposes. It is prevents splashing water to lead of water to the tail race and to act as safeguard against accident. Against of accident. Working principle. This is a working principle of the belt and wheel. Working principle of working with the water, say conveyed powerhouse, power hose from the head race through the penstock, penstock, the nozzle fitted to the end of the penstock powerhouse and deliver the high velocity water jet into the bucket. One or more jet of water are arranged to impinge on the bucket tangentially. The impact water jet on the bucket has the wheel to rotate, thus producing mechanical work. And electrical generator coupled to the runner shaft and the mechanical energy convert to the electrical power. After leaving turbine wheel falls into the tail race, wheel located above the tail race, that bucket not splash tail race water. Next, the dimension of the bucket. Accurate of the dimension, the minimize the possibly bucket is approximately 2D, where D is the diameter of jet. The dimension usually taken as 2.1 to 3.2 D. To avoid losses, some prefer the tag it is 3 to 4 D. The depth of bucket usually lies between a 0.8 to 1.22 D. The height of the bucket is 2.4 to 2.8 D. Other dimension of the bucket are taken as below. Capital E 1.2 D, F is equal to 0.4 small d, G is equal to 0.9 to 1.0 D, beta is equal to 3 to 6 degree, beta 10 to 20 degree. Dimension of the show bucket center place in show the diagram splitter diameter the ground of the beta. This height is height. The number of bucket decided the frictional losses, the velocity of water, the bucket and impact kinetic to the wheel. And Diagen gave the following relation: the calculation number of bucket Pn by is equal 1 by 2 d by small d plus 15 is equal to 0.5 meter 0.15. Capital D is a runner, dia of runner. Small d is a least dia of the jet. Diameter of jet. Velocity of jet in nozzle given below. Mathematical problem that is used for the velocity formula v1 v2. This is used for the very important formula. The velocity of the jet out of nozzle is given by v is equal to cv root of 2gh. v1 velocity of jet, cv coefficient velocity for the nozzle valve lines between the 0.96 0.99. Small d diameter of the jet discharged through the nozzle Q is equal pi by 4 d2, Vi is equal pi by 4 d2, Cv root of 2 gh, small d root of 4q divided pi Cv root of 2 gh. Speed ratio, the speed ratio Ku of Belton turbine define the ratio of the tangent velocity, theoretical velocity of the jet. Ku is equal U divided root of 2 gh, where nu pi dn by 60, which n is speed RPM. Jet ratio defined as the ratio diameter run of the least diameter jet, small is equal capital D by small d. Number of jet is increased, usually 4, but never more than 6, because higher number of jet makes governing completer. Double jet just piston show the diagram. Number of jet. Example mathematical problem, belt and wheel, simple problem. First question, each turbine at hydropower house work under head of 940 meter and produce 8000 kilowatt. If the turbine runs 600 RPM, calculate least diameter of jet, mean diameter of jet ratio, number of bucket. Simple. Dia, radius, the jet, mean diameter jet, calculate. Take CV constant 0.99. Sometime valuable question paper the calculate or another generally 0.4, 0.9 something. Ku 0.46 and efficiency 0.89. Again repeat question. Each turbine and hydropower house work under a head of 940 meter and produce 8000 kilowatt. If the turbine runs 600 RPM, find calculator least diameter of jet, mean diameter of jet ratio, number of bucket. CV is equal to 0.98, Ku 0.46 and efficiency 0.89. Head 940 meter. P power, kilowatt means power, 8000 kilowatt. Speed RPM, N 600 RPM. Ku 0.46, CV 0.98, efficiency 0.89. Solution to find first question, least diameter jet are found from. The found from formula P key density Q GH into efficiency. No, is a Q is a calculate. P is a question paper data availability. Q calculated, H availability, efficiency availability. Okay, but Q is a pi by P square into V1. V1. P is a P GH Q into pi by 4 dia 1000. P power 8000 to 10 per kilowatt. Kilowatt of water converted into 10 power 3000 to 10 power 3 is equal 1000 to Q into 9.81 and 940H, efficiency 0.89. Q left side right side convert to the 0.74 meter cube second. V1 CV root of 2GH. V1 is equal to CV root of 2GH. 0.98 root of 2 into 9.81 into H 940 is equal to 133.1 meters second. 0.974 into pi by 4 d2 into 133.1. But d is equal to 0.0965 meter, or convert to the 96.5 mm. First question, list of diameter jet confirmed from over. Next question, B, mean diameter of the jet. Ku, mean diameter, U root of 2 GH. Ku formula 5D by N60, 1 root of 2 GH, Ku 0.46, pi d into 600 into 60, 1 divided root of 2 into 9.81, 940. You calculate dia is equal to 199 meter. Third question, jet ratio. M small m capital D divided small d. 1.99 divided 0.0965. Calculated 20.6. Next question D. Fourth question, number of bucket 0.5 meter plus 15. 0.5 into M 20.6 into 15, 25.3, approximately 25 bucket. Second question, calculate the number of jet required for belt and wheel to develop the 10,000 kilowatt under head of the 370 meter when the running or 500 RPM. Ratio of the wheel diameter of the jet diameter is 12. Take CV 0.98, KU 0.46 and efficiency 0.88. Solution. First, given the data, as we calculate, first note the point. High H is equal to 370 meter. This is a head. Power 10,000 kilowatt. Speed N is equal to 500 RPM. Next, diameter of the jet diameter is capital D by small d. Diameter to the jet diameter. Capital D divided small d is equal to 12. These are data available in question paper. CV 0.99, KU 0.46, efficiency 0.88. These data is available. Solution. First question, number of jet given, number of total discharge given, discharge of the one object, Q, capital Q divided by small q. Q can evolve from the relation P is equal to density Q GH into efficiency. 10,000 is equal to 1000 into Q into 9.81 into 370 into 0.88. Calculator Q is equal to 3.13 meter cube second. Q is a fund from Q is a pi by 4 d square into Vt. V1 is CV root of 2 GH 0.98 into root of 298 into 370. Calculator answer 83.51 meter by second. Where your calculator procedure 0.81 into root of 2 into 98 370 is separate root of 2.98 or an answer. Another one multiply into 0.81. You calculate the answer 83.51 meter second. Correct answer. Next question, the first capital D calculate which relaxation Q KU root of 2 GH pi dn by 60 equal KU root of 2 GH pi dm by 60. N is 500 equal 0.46 root of 2 into 9.81 into 370. Capital D is equal 1.5 meter. 12 D is equal 1.5, D 0.15 meter. Q is equal pi 5 D 0.125 whole square 83.51. Number of small n is equal 1.3 divided 1.25 upon small n is equal 3. Next reaction turbine. Next reaction turbine. Reaction turbines. First one turbine, impulse turbine. Second reaction turbine. Reaction turbine. The reaction turbine is a pressure. Turbine is a water the wheel under pressure. After pressing the guide vents at the outlet turbine, the pressure is atmosphere or below the atmosphere. If the discharge take through draft deep into the tail race, owning the difference pressure, the water flow through the vanes of the turbine towards the outlet. This difference of pressure exit throughout the runner. The difference pressure between guide vane and the runner called reaction pressure responsibly for the motion the runner. Therefore, such turbine also called reaction turbine. Water passes through vane, pressure energy is converted to the velocity energy transfer wheel and rotate. Finally, water recharge to the tail race through the draft which closed which class section, otherwise which is a submerged tail race. This turbine is reaction turbine means Francis turbines, another one name. They show the diagrams. Francis turbines, guide wheel, runner vane, from penstock, spool casting, main components. The components. The first one components tail race is the shaft, top in place, shaft, center place, runner when rotate for the draft tube, bottom side tail race is water. Main components of Francis turbines is the following main components. The industrial flow directs the turbine have a radial discharging outlet is known as for Francis turbine. In the modern Francis turbine, water under the pressure enter the runner towards the center radial direction and leaves the runner. Actually, thus the modern Francis turbine actually fixed flow of the type A turbine is a Francis turbine or reaction turbine. The components, main four components: penstock, screw casting, guide mechanism, runner and tube, draft tube. First one components of the penstock, it is a waterway used to carry water and carried water from the reservoir to the turbine. At the inlet, the penstock tray shark are used to the prevent script going to the turbine. The screw casting inlet pipe or trips or spill castings. The gas guide wheel mechanism guide vanas. The guide vanas are the facility smooth and details flow. Each guide van can be moved. It is quite standard as a changing area of flow into runner. The regulator follow me to the varying requirement to the demand. Materials guide vana usually cast steel. Next runner and runner the wheel. The Francis turbine very important. Runner wheel, runner and runner vanas. The drafted the water flow, the runner's tail race, the called drafted trip, usually dividing cross section and fully airtight takes water from the runner to the tail race. They show the diagram. Diagram of the Francis turbine working principle. The working principle simple points. The water from the reservoir carried to the turbines through the penstock and enter the screw casting. The casting distributes the water evenly around or circumference of the turbine runner. From the screw casting, water passes through stair ring. The ring directs water to the guide. The vanas, this guide vanas regulate the quantity of the water supplied. Water quantity is supplied to the runner. The airfoil shape the guide vanas allow the water to flow smoothly without shock. The water enters the runner with a low velocity and considerably pressure. As the water flow through the runner, the direction of flow water is changed from axial to radial. The pressure energy gradually convert into kinetic energy, and the runner is rotated at the high speed. This is torque is transmitted to the generator, which is coupled to the runner shaft. After passing through the runner water, the tail raised to a drafted tube. The axial flow reaction turbines and water propeller the rotated shaft and the turbines vertical turbines explode turbine. There is a explanation. Okay. Next, this mathematical problem, simple problem. What will the increase power efficiency of the reaction turbine producing 500 kilowatt under the head 6 meter and a discharge of 10 meter cube second if it is a draft tube of cylindrical cross section of diameter 1.7 meter is replaced by the tapered one having an outlet diameter of 2 meter. Assume efficiency of the draft tube 92%. Repeat question, understand. Student, audio visible? Okay. What will the increase in power and efficiency of reaction turbine producing 500 kilowatt under a head of 6 meter and a discharge of 10 meter cube second if it is a draft tube cylindrical cross section of diameter 1.75 meter is replaced by the tapered one having an outlet diameter of 2 meter. Assume the efficiency of the draft tube 92%. To find H, capital H head 6 meter, power producing reaction turbine power producing 500 kilowatt P, Q 10 meter cube second discharge. Efficiency D 0.92%. Assume efficiency draft tube. Capital D 1.75 meter cross section diameter. Outlet diameter capital D and small d is equal 2 meter. Exam first question. First question, you calculate the again repeat question. Understand what will the increased power efficiency reactor turbine produce 500 kilowatt under a head of 6 meter and a discharge of 10 meter cube second. If it is drop tip of a cylinder cross section of diameter 1.75 meter is replaced by the taper on having an outlet diameter of 2 meter. Assume efficiency of the drop tube 92%. Solution. The velocity at the inlet, the drop tube, V naught is 10 divided pi by 4 into 1.75 meter square is got 4.16 meter second. Velocity at the outlet drop tube, Vd 10 divided pi by 4 to 2 whole square 2.81 meter second. Head gained V naught 2 minus Vd2 divided 2g into efficiency D 4.162 minus 3.182 square divided 2.91 into 9.2. Calculated 0.337 meter. Increase in power head, increase divided original head into P. Simple, increase the power. Increase the power head, increase divided original head into P. 0.337 divided 6 into 500. So calculated 28.0 kilowatt. Solution to find original efficiency P divided density Q into G H 500 divided density 1000 into 10 into 9.81 into 6 0.85 approximately and percentage 85% gain efficiency original efficiency into increased power divided original power. Original efficiency data is in summably in 0.85. Increase power calculator. Original efficiency calculator P by density Q G by H answer 0.85. Increase power 28 0.8. Original power is a above question paper turbine producing a 500 kilowatt. 500 kilowatt. 0.85 into 28.08 divided 500 is calculated 0.0477. Simple method. Once I repeat question, what will the increase the power efficiency of the reaction turbine producing 500 kilowatt under a head of 6 meter and a discharge of 10 meter cube second if it is a draft tube cylinder cross section diameter 1.75 meter is replaced by tapered one having an outlet diameter 2 meter. Assume the efficiency of drop tip 92%. Very important question. Public given the understand above list data. Some data will be seeing CVB, CV, CD. This efficiency. Sometimes efficiency not given 92%, 97% given the put the writing the data. And data is 6 meter, P is 500 kilowatt, Q 10 meter cube second, efficiency 0.92, diaxial cross section 1.75 meter, drop tip 2 meters. This is again, this is a comparison. Yeah, already discussed classes impulse turbine and reaction turbine discussed. The comparison of the impulse turbine and reaction turbine, very important question. Difference between the impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Working principle of the reaction turbine needs catch the impulse turbine. Two difference between the impulse turbine and reaction turbine. First one, the total available energy the water convert to kinetic energy before sticks of the runner impulse turbine. Reaction turbine, only part of the available energy is the convert to kinetic energy. The water flow through a nozzle stick the runner bucket impulse turbine. Reaction turbine, the water is a guide by guide blade and flow over the moving blade. Impulse turbine, the water stick the runner bucket with the kinetic energy. Reaction turbine, the water glides over the runner blade with the pressure energy. The pressure of the flowing water after sticking the bucket remains constant. The pressure of water reduces gradually when it flows through the runner. Impulse turbine, it is not necessary that the wheel should run full. There should free access of air between the blade and the wheel. Reaction turbine, it is essential that the wheel should always run full, keep full of the water. Impulse turbine, water is admitted over part of the circumference of the wheel. Reaction turbine, water is admitted over the entire circumference of the runner wheel. Next, impulse turbine, flow can be regulated without losses. Reaction turbine, flow cannot be regulated without losses. Impulse turbine, draft tube is not required. Reaction turbines, here draft is here required. Yeah, this is a very important question. Draft tube is not required. Draft tube impulse turbine not required, but a reaction turbine required. Another point very important, the pressure of reaction turbine, the pressure of the flow water after sticking and bucket remains constant. The reaction turbine pressure of water reduce the gradually when it is a flow the runner. Flow the runner. Okay, next classes take Kaplan turbine. Next class take a Kaplan turbine. Simple problem mathematics only. Okay, thank you.